What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to Bowman Outdoors. So it turns out that I didn't record the intro like I thought I did. So I'll just go ahead and give you an update of what we did in the video. We had 16 pedestals lined up from a washer and dryer. So if you don't know what that is, it's a little pedestal that a washer or a dryer for clothes would sit on, and it sits on top, and then it has a little pull out, and then you have like a little drawer down there. So I ended up picking these up off Facebook, and I wanted just to see, how many a pistol round would go through. Next up will be, how many rifles go through. But the pistol rounds we started with, we had 5 different ones. We had a 380, a 9mm, 38, 40 caliber, and a 45. So we did all that, and the video is pretty cool. Hope you stay around to watch it. So enjoy. Remember, just 16 pedestals. We're just trying to see how many they go through. So here it is. Trying to make a video for you guys and have to hold off for a minute. We got a big old storm that just rolled through here. Maybe passing over us by now. Looks like it might be on that side. We'll get back to it in just a minute. The first one we're going to shoot first is a 380 jacket hollow point. It's going to be coming out of my Smith & Wesson Bodyguard. Sorry, a little bit of rain's coming down on us here. All right. So it's going to be coming out of the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard. Ready?
We're live.
Here we go. 95 grain 380. And we're clear. We'll put this back in here so they stay dry. Okay, let's go check it out. All right, so here we are, guys. So we've got the 380 going through. I want to know how many it went through all the way. So let's check this out. How many do you think it went through first, Marshall?
380.
Hollow point. You gotta take that in the fact too. It's not full metal jacket. It's hollow point.
No more than 3.
No more than 3. I say no more than probably 2. I say it went through the second one, maybe touched the third. He's saying went through 3.
No,
Oh,
I'm saying
hit the third.
I'm with you pretty much.
Okay, so stops on basically the third, doesn't go through. Probably doesn't. I say it doesn't even go through the into the third. What do you say?
I say it doesn't leave the second.
So he says it doesn't even leave the second. Okay, here we go. So we got one for sure.
Oh hell, did it not even hit the first? No, it did. It did.
There's a second. Stopped in the second. Doesn't even have an exit hole.
Didn't even hit the back.
All right. So let's check this little wound out here.
Oh, it didn't even enter the second one all the way.
Didn't even enter the second. Oh, hey, dude, guys, check it out.
There it is. Right in between.
Perfect. So we caught a 380. Now, all right, so we saw that one, what the damage of that one did not do much at all. Went through one completely, stopped, didn't even, it punctured the second one. We actually ended up recovering the bullet, as you saw. We've got it right here. It's a pretty good expansion. I would have to say, I would hate to be hit with that myself. And for it to stay that together going through aluminum and stuff, just think of what it would do going through like a body, it's crazy. All right, so now we get some 9mm.
What ammo are you using first?
What is this one?
There's full metal jacket in there and critical duty.
Okay, so let's do full metal jacket. Okay, so we'll do full, and this is the full metal jacket box, right?
American Eagle, yep.
Okay, so we got
115 grain, I think.
Grain, 9mm. All right, so next we're gonna do is a 9mm. We've got a full metal jacket first. It's 115 grain American Eagle 9mm Luger, and then we have a critical defense.
I think it's 115 as well.
115 as well. All right.
Critical duty.
Critical duty. Sorry. Critical duty 115. We're gonna be loading this up in brand new H&K VP9.
Got it just the other day. Love the way it feels. It feels pretty great. Nice little true glow sights. You can see them at night. They'll actually glow in the dark. It's pretty sweet. So let's see what we can get here.
Hey, you also got the
There's a third one?
dynamic, whatever that ammo is. I bought the hollow points. No, they're in that box in there.
This here?
Right there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Now, how many? That's 85 grain hollow point.
85 grain dynamic hollow point. Okay. And we're also going to do a third one. So we've got 115 grain full metal jacket going to go first. 115 critical defense hollow point. Ballistic kind of tip. It's plugged with the ballistic tip there. And then we've also got this dynamic what, Marshall? Dynamic Research Technologies. It's actually an 85 grain hollow point, but check out that hollow point. I mean, that is wicked looking, isn't it? It's like it would stop a werewolf or something. So we're gonna shoot that one last. Then we've got the critical defense full metal jacket first. And let me actually take all this ammo and set it back in here because we're starting to get little raindrops in. The worst thing you want to do is get your ammo destroyed. Put my ears on. Ears on. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, so we've got 115 grain full metal jacket coming out first, and then we've got the other two, the critical defense ballistic tipped 115 grain, and then we've also got the Dynamic Technologies 115 grain or 85 grain hollow point. All right, so that was the 115 grain full metal jacket. Marshall, what's your bet? And remind everybody.
It went through the second one, but didn't leave it.
Went through the second one. Okay, and let's remind everybody. Went in the second one. It's also a full metal jacket. So we've got Marshall saying, okay, what did you say, Marshall? Second one?
Entered second one, didn't. Penetrated the second one.
Penetrated the second one, did not go through. So I say that was a full metal jacket. Not much bigger in caliber than a 380, but more powder than the 380. So I say at least touching this third one like the 380 did to the second one. All right, I'll take the firearm back. Oh! Went through and hit the fourth. See if you can recover that.
That's way off.
We're gonna set this firearm down and come back. Here.
That's what it's all about. We're learning here, folks. We're learning.
Say that again?
I said this is what it's all about. We're
learning.
I was off, and now you know.
Yeah. Now you know. Hold this for a second. Let me go set this firearm down.
Is this still going?
Yeah.
Is this still going? Where? This is gonna be some shoddy video, but man, I want that bullet.
Okay.
Where's the?
All right. So we're gonna see if we can find this here bullet though.
This over here 9mm round.
So it's gotta be here.
Dude, it should have dropped. I mean,
it came through.
Yeah, completely. I mean, real good through, but real good exit wound, you should say, I guess. But
let's move this one out of the way.
Yeah. Well, what is up with that, man? Unless it bounced back, literally bounced back in that one because it hit. You know what I'm saying? It hit this and kind of didn't fall through. It actually bounced back in that. I don't know, did it?
No.
Huh.
Well, that's a bummer.
No, let's
Okay,
keep
let's sit
looking. Here, let's just turn this off and look for a second. Turn the camera. Cut. We decided to quit looking. This video is more about penetration, so we're not going to search for the bullet.
Penetration.
Straight round.
It's always the best, I think, right?
Live.
All right, next up we got the 115 grain ballistic tipped coming out of that H&K again. Here we go.
That was critical duty.
Okay, so that was the critical duty Critical defense, I thought. Critical defense.
Critical defense, yeah.
Critical defense, 115 grain ballistic tipped hollow point. All right, place your bets. Marshall, what are you saying?
Hollow point.
Ballistic tipped hollow point.
I'm sorry, yeah, critical defense.
Oh, for those that don't know, the reason why I keep reminding them what it is exactly, because each tip is going to do something different. You know, hollow point might go from hollow point's not going to go as far. A full metal jacket should go further than a hollow point in theory.
In other words, not every tip's going to get the same.
So yeah, it's not all about just your tip.
So, in the third one.
We hit here 389 of the full metal jacket 9. This is the what I just shot. That is the critical defense. I say, you say stop in third?
It's stopped in third.
I say stop in third as well. All right, pull them back.
Went in right there.
Hit there, that's the third one. Came out. Oh, and hey, look.
Hey, we found that one. Man, that
He's a little butt hurt. A little butt hurt that we couldn't find that other 9, but we did find this one. And check that out. I mean,
look.
that is
Still warm.
that is crazy. I mean, that's some good expansion too. I mean, that's not hold that, of course. That's really nice expansion. I mean, that would hurt. That would hurt. All right, round 3.
Oh, shooting the Dynamic Research Technologies, I think is what the maker was. The hollow point 85 grain 9mm. Shooting it out of the HK Skybug was just shooting. Feels pretty good.
All right. All right, so that was the, what did you shoot?
Dynamic Research Technologies 85 grain hollow point.
All right, so how many do you think it went through?
85 grain, man, that thing be lucky if it's 30.
85.
No, it's going faster. It's
Yeah.
going faster, buddy.
And it's got the core little kind of.
It entered the third one.
Enter the third one. I think so too. All right, so look at our grouping here. The 3 I shot, 389.9, Marshall's 9 that just went right there. All right, let's reveal. Go through them each one. Let's reveal. All right, so we got enter,
They
exit.
all entered the second one.
All right.
Oh, it did not.
Ooh, look.
It did not enter
Hey.
the third one. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Check that out. Show that puppy off.
Dude.
That would hurt.
About slicing the main vein.
Oh.
That thing will seriously.
Super sharp. I mean, it actually kind of cut my finger right there when I picked it up. So let's look at that. What was that, the third one? Was that the third one?
Look at that powder in there. You see that powder?
Yeah, I see that. Let's look at that hit right there real quick. No, the hit of the. Look at that. Look how it kind of left the. It even cut it. It cut it, but it left all the residue of that like copper. That's insane. All right, so we've only had 2 pass through, and that was actually the critical defense 115 grain and the full metal jacket 15 grain.
Yeah.
So that's the only 2 that's passed through. Okay, let's.
Anyway, this is a 38 Special Agent Edition Colt. I gave this to my little brother.
Sure did. My first handgun.
I forget of it.
All right, here we go. All right, so that's a 115 grain hollow point Hornady home defense is what that one is. Here we go. I want to try to get the. What was that?
Did I shoot high?
What was that?
Did I shoot high?
I don't think so.
I didn't hit it though. It went.
All right.
It had to skid it because it. What the fuck did it?
Hey, look. Hey, look.
Tell me you got one more round.
I do.
Shit, yes.
For you.
Yeah.
I knew he was gonna miss.
That is not going to be included on the YouTube video.
It just might. All right. Remember, that's iron sights. It's not like it's.
Ask yourself.
Yep.
Question. Do you feel lucky,
You got your ears on? There it is.
Hell, I wasn't aiming much higher the first time. That's wild. I really wasn't. Hey, you go
All
first,
right.
bitch. Don't ask me. Yeah, that'll be edited out. You go first.
What is it?
Don't ask me first. Don't put me on the spot. What you got? What you have?
All right. So I say that one's booking it. So I mean,
look at the mat.
and judging by
look at the shell.
judging by this
You'll
here.
get that out too. Look at that shell.
Look at that.
Got a
Yeah,
lot of
much
powder.
much more powder.
A lot of powder.
Much more powder. So I don't know. Let's see. I say
Is that a hollow point?
hollow point. Yeah, I already covered all that. So yeah, I say hollow
That
point.
hit the fifth.
I say in the fourth, hitting fifth maybe, not going through the fourth. What do you say?
I'm with you. On
You're with me on that?
I'm not gonna peel them all apart. Let's just see. Let's just.
Oh, not even in the fourth. Look, not even a hole back there in the fourth.
No, not at all. Did look like it hit.
Oh,
hit the,
not even through there.
went through three. Wait, no.
And not even through there.
Yeah.
Flip it down. Oh, you must have hit low.
Oh dang! Then it must have.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Wait. No.
Went through the
Hit.
second,
And
went
didn't
through
even
the
come
second.
out of the second.
It
Look.
didn't even come out.
Wow. Wow. So maybe, hey, maybe the way this works, maybe these 38s work, is it's just got so much kinetic energy that it's in the second one, right? It didn't come out. We should be able
Man.
to find that. Shut that. We should be able to find that. We'll here. Let's.
It's gotta be.
Hold on. Let me set this down. Here we go. We're back. All right, let's set that puppy down. Hey, look. What is that? Jacket from one of them.
That's
Probably from that one crazy hollow point. Yeah. Let's see.
I mean, it's in there, dude.
Is it in there? Something's in there. We're out here trying to find that bullet. We're sweating. We know it's inside of here. We got it in here. No exit back here, right? And then you come in here. It didn't even hit the plastic. Look, we've got the 3 here, 1 up top, right? 1, 2, 3 here. Whoa! Oh wait, we flipped it upside. Yes, that's right. So we had one hit right here. Wait, no, that's the last one. That's the second one. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, duh. So we have a hit down there, but not a pass through in that plastic. So it's actually trapped inside. So we're gonna try to get that out later for you guys once we figure that out. For now, we're moving on. All right. So next up, I've actually got my own personal carry here. This is a 40 caliber Walther. This is the, that's right. This is the PPS. So it's a 40 caliber. I've got hollow points in there, somewhat jagged, but just nothing really fancy. I honestly can't remember the grain that I've got in here. So what we're gonna do is we are just gonna see what we can make happen. Go. Putting this back up and keep her ready.
All right, pass through.
All right. So what do you think? What do you think?
Okay, that was your 40. That was a hollow point.
Yeah, and it's at least 100 grain. I mean, I think it's at least 100 grain. Yeah, it's at least
I thought that 38 would do more than it did. So I'm gonna say,
Sure.
I'm gonna say it's in the third one.
third one. Okay, I say I say that one booking it a little bit more too. But man, that 38 was booking it too. I say pass through the third. Pass through the third, stop it on the fourth. All right, you ready?
Let's check and see.
So obviously, we got the hole right here. No, that's your 9. This is it. That's the 40. There's the 40 caliber right there. We got a 40 caliber hole coming through top here. Right, and that is that one, right?
Yeah, it's
No, it's this one down here.
so it's gonna be right there.
Yeah, hitting here again. So it's coming through here, right here. So coming through, hitting here, busting out, hitting here. All right, so that's in and out of the first, in, out of the second, into the third, out of the third. No,
No, I don't think it left.
no, did not
Those
leave.
3 holes have been there.
So it's in there. So okay,
So it entered the third.
enter third. So let's move first out of the way. We'll move second one out of the way. Second, third here. All right, so this is where we stopped in here. So we didn't even come out, right? Oh, hey, here we go. Check it out. 40 caliber. Great expansion. I mean, that sucker stayed together too. It didn't mushroom out, but you got to think it's going through metal. So softer tissue, it may open up a little bit more. But still, even if that happens to you, you think about that hitting you here or here. It's a good size. I mean, that's dang near pinky. You know, I mean, look. If I can get this in on my pinky.
That's a showstopper.
Yeah, I can't even get this in on my pinky, but look at that. That's almost pinky width. I mean, that hurt. I'm gonna put these back together.
1911.
Competition style.
Finale of pistols. In this segment, anyway, my brothers. So we've got a Hornady 45 hollow point. How many grain is this?
I don't remember. You
Me
gave them
neither.
to me.
We are horrible on the grain. We will work on that.
Yeah.
Hornady.
At least 100. We know it's at least 100. It's a 45.
And this is plus P. If anybody knows
That's gonna hurt.
what
the
plus
hand.
P means, is it's actually extra powder in this casing. So more
Plus
powder.
powder.
more
Powder
powder
plus
than
is what that
usual.
means. The P is for powder. The plus is also obviously for addition. If you don't know that, then you
It can
should
also
just
be for penetration.
still like my channel.
It can also be for penetration.
Also for penetration. P for penetration, so you get extra penetration. All right, coming out of the 1911 competition Colt Government Edition. Hold on. I didn't record that one either. Great. I got it on here though, so it's okay. So, we shot here.
Did I?
That's obviously got to be it. I mean, it's huge. So, what do you say?
45. It's a heavier round. I don't know what grain that was or how fast it's moving because we didn't do our homework.
Hold on.
I'm gonna say this 45 is bouncing around somewhere in that third one, maybe.
Third one. All right. So I'll go ahead and pull them back. So we got passed through here, gone here, into here. Not out of the second? Yeah, out of the second. There it is. Into the third. Oh, stopped and left a nipple in there. So it's inside there too. So we'll find those as well. All right, we'll get set up again. Hornady.
Is it the critical duty route? What's
Critical duty, yeah.
Because the first one was hollow point. We don't know what the grain is though.
All right.
Somewhere else maybe. Right dead center.
Dang it, I forgot to record that one again. I'm sorry. That's twice I forgot to record the close-up. I'll get better. So, all right. So,
You can also just,
where do you think you hit?
man, it looked like it went right in this hole again. I know, maybe I should aim different. I wasn't. We'll get that.
Yeah, you got to aim.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Looks like it came out right
here. That's definitely it.
And,
So
and,
if
it went in right there.
Whoa.
And it
Yep.
went in right there.
And stopped in that one.
So,
All right.
3.
So that's
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Stopped in the fourth one. All right, guys. So it looks like we're getting rained out here. We're getting pretty wet. We don't want to get any more of the firearms wet. So we're gonna come back out maybe tomorrow morning or something, or Sunday, and try to finish this up. For now, we at least got all the handguns done. That's was our biggest thing. We got all these leads back here that we found. which is pretty cool. So that's cool little finds. We'll try to find the rest of the bullets tomorrow. All right, but for now, signing off. I'll give you one more look here of all the holes on the front. Tomorrow I'll also bring a marker to where we can mark what holes are what. But all right, that's it. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Marsh, you want to say a sign off?
Later, guys. Have a good one.
All right, we'll catch you the next time. Maybe tomorrow. We'll let you know. Like, subscribe. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm going to edit that out. Best show. Okay.
Good.